Hello dear and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have many years experience with different softwares and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you how to update your Google Chrome browser. To update your browser, we need to click right here at Go to Help and click on About Google Chrome. So you can see the Google Chrome is checking for update. If it needs to be updated, so it's going to show you that update process that it's going to take to update your Google Chrome browser. Once it's updated, it needs to be restart your browser. But if it's up to date, you can see the Chrome is up to date right here. I can see the version. From the settings, if you want to open the settings, we need to click here and click on settings. In your left, we need to click on About Chrome. So from settings, also you can just click on About Chrome to see the version or you want to update your Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.